Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd, you guys. So I just wanted to come and remind you guys to don't forget to check out Irresistible Me. You guys, I will have all the information in my description box below. So definitely, like I said, check them out for all your wig needs, you guys. They have synthetic wigs. They also have human hair wigs as well as ponytails and different things like that on their website. So definitely, like I said, be sure to check them out. I'll have all the information in my description box below. So I just wanted to come and let you guys know that. And don't forget to use my code as well to get a little bit of money off. And let's go ahead and get into today's video, you guys. So I made me some tea. My throat is really dry and I needed something hot, y'all, to try to help me out with my dry throat. Comment below if you guys know some type of remedies that I could do to help me out, because your girl's a little congested. Yeah. But right now I'm actually cooking dinner. I got the chicken boiling. I'm doing chicken and rice tonight. Something quick, easy. So just let that cook. And then we're actually going outside to go ahead and get the stuff out of the barn like I told you guys earlier. So that way I can go ahead and start putting up all my fall decor, get rid of all of my summertime, springtime decor. I gotta go. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, my curtains. I got stuff everywhere, y'all. We're getting it, working it out. Needless to say, I had to go ahead and sit down and drink my tea, and I'm not doing none of the work. The boys is. Who doing the work, man? Me?
Us. You just look here and make sure we don't break.
I am looking, making sure they don't break nothing, y'all. So Mama eyes is on the prize.
Mom, you want this?
Okay, all the fall decor has entered the building. All right, safe to say I'll be restarting this video tomorrow. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. Welcome back to another video, the second part of today's video. Anyway, I'm going through my fall decor, you guys, and it's a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have. Halloween.
I know you
Smells clean. And I'm gonna clean these couches. Mel gonna do that couch over there. I'm gonna do this couch and this foot ottoman.